it's Jackie from So Bright Home. I'm going to keep this video really short. I'm just so excited to share with you my new craft ebook, Crafting with Love, is now available to download. Oh yeah! I'm just so excited for you to get your hands on our craft book. I'm going to show you what the printed version looks like, but first I'm going to tell you a little bit about the book so you can see if it's right for you. Craft book is going to make creating with your family, your kids, your classroom, all the people you love in your life so much easier, and here is why. Hands up if you've gone down the Pinterest rabbit hole looking for the perfect project. Your kids say they want to do a craft, or more likely they're just driving you insane and you know that you need to do something. And then you go to Pinterest and then you get distracted and then you find a recipe and then you end up going to the grocery store because you want to cook something. No, you just want to sit down and enjoy a craft with your kids. And that is what my craft book is for. You can download it, you can print it if you want, you don't have to print it, or you can just print one page because each craft is one page at a time. It is super easy to follow. It avoids all of the distractions of social media, the internet, and life, and it makes it easier to just create and enjoy that time with your family or your kids or your loved ones. Our book, Crafting with Love, includes 16 crafts easy to do at home. We even have one page with a set of 4 Valentines that you can cut out and share with your loved ones. You'll also find resources on where to get craft supplies and some inspiration throughout the book.
Okay, my printed version wasn't ready from the printer yet, but here's the digital version, the front page, table of contents, and then you can see each craft is one page, so it's easy to print it. I have a list of supplies, and then I go through photo and written step-by-step instructions for each craft, so it's super easy to follow. And then at the end there, I have links to craft supplies and different resources and information.
A little sneak peek of some of the crafts that you can create in the instructions in our book.
This is my art shelf that I love decorating for the season. I also DIY'd this shelf and have a viral video on that, so you can check the link for details on that. These cute little houses I didn't include in the book, but they're just dollar store houses, and then I painted them red. And then I found those little wood mushrooms and I added, instead of dots, I added little hearts and thought it was so cute. These are candy canes made into hearts. Crystallized hearts, and this garland that was featured on Jillian Harris's blog post that goes live tomorrow if you haven't seen it. And yeah, tattoos on candles. There's so many crafts. There's 16 in the book, so there's more than just this. This wood heart is a little more complicated and not in the book. I think it's probably on my YouTube channel or my blog. I'll have to go check.
If this sounds right for you, then go ahead and download your Crafting with Love ebook. If you're watching this on YouTube, you can click the link in the video description. I cannot wait to see what you craft with it. Make sure to tag So Bright Home and follow me on socials. Wherever you hang out, I'll be there.